Hey everyone, in this video we'll discuss how long a Coinbase withdrawal takes. The answer depends on your country and the withdrawal method you choose. In the US, bank withdrawals usually take 1 to 5 business days. In Europe, transfers typically arrive within 1 to 2 business days. In Canada, Australia, and Singapore, withdrawals can be much faster, especially when using supported local payment methods. Coinbase offers instant cash out to a linked debit card, which may arrive within 30 minutes, although it can take up to 24 hours. Wire transfers are another faster option and usually arrive within 1 business day, but both methods may charge higher fees and aren't available in every region. So, if you're using a standard bank transfer, expect to wait a few business days. For faster access to your funds, instant cash out or wire transfers are your best options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips.